Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can do the sound corrections in Adobe Rush. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to click on this plus icon and we need to click on the your media and we have to select the media that which video we want to use. So I'm going to click on the desktop and then simply I'm going to choose the video that which one I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one and let's click on the aid. And after clicking on the aid, as you can see, now I'm going to make this full screen. So let's click on this and now I'm going to cut this one. Let's cut this, and after that I'm going to click on the clip. And after clicking on the clip, as you can see, has the option for the audio. So we need to click on the audio section. So let's click on the audio, and it has the, as you can see, has the option for the clip volume. So if you want to increase the clip volume, then simply you have to increase this and the clip volume will be automatically increased. So as you can see, there's also difference come into sound waves. If I'm going to decrease, the sound waves will be reduced. So in this way you can do that. So let's play this and now place normally. If I'm going to increase this like here, so as you can see, in this way you can increase the volume of your video, of your clip. If you want to make it mute, you have to click on the mute and the video will be mute. In the advanced option, you will be see the advanced controls. If you want to control them, you can also do that, like the reduce background noise, reduce echo, and all the options are provided here. In the channel section, you can also control your sound channels as well. If you are aware from the channel that how you can use them, and if you are aware from the advanced option that how you can use them and what is their function, then you can also use these options as well. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can use the volume options in Adobe Rush. So see you guys in the next video.